The reason I started this channel is to just show some basic Excel kind of tips, tricks, ways you can get faster with your day. Because at the end of the day, we're mostly using Excel when it comes to anything numerical, data entry, something we have to share with someone. And it's a huge time sink if you're not efficient with it, or at least as efficient as you can be, because we've all got better things to do. We have, actual work. I personally like the tool a lot, but that's led to me becoming fairly decent with it, at least as most people in the office would tell you, at least the one I'm at right now. And I figured, why not make it so we can all do this on our own? Plus, if anyone has a question, anything like that, I figured I can go right here, I can throw it up there, then they'll always have the answer they're looking for. Hey, how do I do a VLOOKUP? It's there. How would I do index match? It's there. How do I build a pivot table? Right there. Charts and graphs, same thing. And the reason I wanted to do this also was whenever I look something up on YouTube, it takes forever to get to the answer. Like, I get it, you're trying to get your clicks, you're trying to get your time on the video and everything. That's not the goal here. I want to keep, ideally, all these videos under 5 minutes if I can. It should be a fast answer, it should be quick, it should be something that you can use immediately and is actionable. It should be something that, you don't have to hear my life story, because, to be honest, I'm pretty sure you don't care. And that's fine. We're here to learn something about Excel, get our job done faster so we can get home to our families or do whatever we want to do. So if you have any requests, always feel free to leave a comment in that video. Let me know what it is, and shoot, I'm always looking for new things, so nothing is too crazy. Alright, have a good one.